do all three is absolutely cool. You can also do 2 colors. It's up to you. I'm so excited. You don't even like notice how much excited I'm. Like, what? Halloween in July. So absolutely. And this one is start getting from really shiny to the matte looks kind of cool. So we're gonna add another colors on, which is welcome hook. So I just want a little bit background for this. Doesn't have to be necessarily really like dark. However you can. I just want some background. I'm excited. So excited. I think I really want to do like at least 20 nails, but we're probably going to do 4 or 5 nails today. We'll see how everybody enjoying it, because to take you completely from summertime to Halloween, it's good to get a little bit break from like a lot of like we're doing fun nails lately. Me and Sarah got to share a lot of designs from so many different techniques in every single live videos, which a great different content. So thank you so much, Sarah and the team. It did really cool and dedicates with their times, and they absolutely enjoying it. So I will let it set a little bit, and using one piece of paper towels, and I am going to using my crystal clear. You don't know how many of cool ideas that I got right in here. So I have to write down my notes right here. Otherwise, like, can't do it. All right, so just wipe up almost. Don't let all that crystal clear running too much, and it's gonna just kind of bleeding your color. So just randomly. And if you're doing this look, it doesn't have to be 100% identical every single time. It can be different nails from one to another. Great. And you just work it like from outside ends and toward to get the cool veins if you want to. Then it looks cool. Fabulous. So I am going to, this is another, there's so many different ways to do it. You can do veins with your gel painting, or you can do the veins with your chamfer foil. So I am gonna using my bottle right here. Either you have a the pot of black gel painting, or you can using this the gel painting in bottle, and is Golden Touch. So I'm using this one first to thank you, Sarah. So excited today. And with this, you just like, you know, just wiggle it. You don't have to be perfect, like I'm using just a little bit. And we're gonna just like flash cure this one for maybe about 30 seconds. All right. And go right into my twin tip brush. 30 seconds. Oh, today's gonna just fun. Okay, can you go? Sit to it. So I'm gonna dip into my golden touch and give you just great. All right, so here for 30 seconds, and I might go back to this fusioning in just a bit, but for now, and I am going to using the other end to apply my crystal placement using the first step of Trifecta, which is condensed glue gel, really thick density, so that condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat will be in the two steps to adhere your crystals. I am looking for the tray right now. Give me 1 second. I took right here in the jars is the pumpkins. This one, the pumpkin.
Pumpkin
And glue. Let me see what is we can find in here. Really cool. Okay. This is really fun. All right. I am gonna using before that, I might add another layer of it. So I am going to using a really cool, if you seeing it, the collections of numbers 15 and 16, that's a fall leaf, so it's really cool. I'm gonna use maybe that one. Let's see, she's the owl, it looks like.
That's an
An owl. It's really sharp, so I have to be careful. Just add a little bit details around. Maybe we should put some cute leaves on it as well. There's a little nut right there. Darker leaves. You can do so many, doesn't matter. It just like looks so cute though. It's super fun and easy to doing it. This is Halloween is not my favorite. It's like what is my favorite season holiday too, because it's so much fun. I love to see like a cute, you know, costume, not scare costume, because I got scared easy. I've been seeing the kids with fun costumes, and they're so cute, and a lot of decoration in the fall. So that part done. I'm using one side of my tweezer excuse me, and the other to pick up the stickers, and the other ends with the rubbers end. So I'm gonna rub that, stay really nice end, and going right into condensed glue gel. Finishing my alright, so I'm gonna do that one quick, and then all the nails. First, I put just a little bit more condensed glue gel just because I want to put the pumpkins on that nails, like this nail right here. No white top coat, the second step. And floating on the top of the condensed glue gels. And here you go, my crystal figures. And I have right here is my little pumpkin spice. How's everyone doing today? Happy Sunday. I'm going down a little bit. And I'm gonna do this one right on the top of it. But I will do it later. So now I fill in with different crystal colors. Can you grab me the water? I think it's something in my just give it to me. Yeah. Sorry about that. And this one we are going to using, oh, this one is going to be stunning. You can using like obsidians, just a little bit hint of, I'm so excited. It's like with this cool obsidians metal art charms, to really make it more fun. Feel really cool then. Wow. So I'm going to move this one up just a bit. I think, can you switch your phones to that one to the other one? Yeah. Switch this one because I can read it over here better. Okay. And you can dress it up however you prefer. And just really a simplest way to get them like really cute together. It's just like, as long as you get them really close and like tied together. It's kind of fun to do. Like all summertimes, all students will have the funs of Halloween nails. I remember when my kid's little, I can dress them whatever. I dress my oldest one, Emily. She's a little hot dog when the first year when she's almost 6 months. And when they're older now, they don't want to wear anything. And maybe it's just they pick what they want, but doesn't mean they're gonna go. They might change their minds at the last minute. I don't know if anybody related, but so now we have to like, okay, if you want it, then I'll take you how to wear it, but you can't make mommy buying it and not wearing it. So, all right. So this is super cute pumpkins with little dress up crystals here. You can do so much more detail if you prefer to. It doesn't have to like I could dress like completely the nails. As you see that the really cute one of our ambassador teams, well, always fun. We have a meeting. Sarah members will Annette will say that Judith's fusioning really cute, and then all of a sudden you covers all the crystal nails, the crystal in there. But I know. But then if you don't want anything, you just like top coat it. You're good to go. But if you want to dress them up with the crystals, then here you go. You can do similar to what I have, or even like I get to see so many beautiful works. And thank you so much for sharing with us. Just such amazing, you ladies, just amazing, doing so beautiful work. All right, so I keep adding it more details, but you don't want it, absolutely totally fine. I'm gonna flash here. This one's for 30 seconds quick, because I'm gonna put that little skeletons on. All right.